What's up everybody, Bandit here with my buddy Wayne, and today we're going to install a new product from Toughskins. So Toughskins is an aftermarket accessories company that makes a lot of different accessories for whatever vehicle you drive. They make a lot of different products for Toyota. They have the bed tailgate inlays for both the Tacoma and the Tundra, and they also have inlays for the aftermarket grills for Tacomas and some other different companies as well.
They also have products for your newer generation F-Series Fords as well as some Jeep products.
Right, but we're going to stick with Toyota here today and install these tailgate inlays. So as you can see here on the new Tacomas, you do have Tacoma pressed in there along the back, and we're going to install these. Now these are the camouflage. Here's the part number if you're interested. But these are the camouflage ones. They also have satin black, matte black, chrome, red, a bunch of different colors. But the camouflage and the American flag themed ones are the newest to their lineup, and today we're going to install the camo ones. So we went ahead and washed the lower part of the tailgate here to get all the salt and road grime off, and now we'll go ahead and install these. It says you want to make sure everything is really clean here with the bottom of the tailgate. All of their products are stuck on with 3M adhesive, so it should make a nice tight bond there, but you do want to make sure everything's clean. And it also says to make sure that the surface temperature of your truck and of these is between 75 and 110 or so degrees, just to make sure you have a nice tight bond. So we'll go ahead and warm everything up a little bit. We recommend either using a hair dryer or a heat gun really lightly. You don't want to bake your paint, but you do want to warm it up a little bit so you get that nice tight bond. Here's a look at the first letter, the T. Obviously we do have all 6 letters for Tacoma, and if you flip it over you'll see the 3M adhesive. So this is actual 3M adhesive, really nice adhesive, and each letter actually has its own little tab, which makes getting the backing of the adhesive off really easy. So we'll go ahead and peel it off. All these are perfectly cut to lay in the pressing there from the factory, so it should be a really easy and clean looking install. So here is a look at the entire project once it's done. I think it does have a really nice look to it, and all of the 3M and the letters were cut just perfectly, and they're really easy to fill the holes. So great product there by Toughskins. So we have all of the Toughskin tailgate lettering on now, and everything looks great, and it was a pretty easy install. It only took probably 5 or 10 minutes to do, and I think it should be looking pretty good for the foreseeable future.
Yeah, one note is while it was super easy, it might have been even easier if it was a little bit warmer weather out. Right now it's in the 30s, so it was a little bit difficult to get it warmed up to the temperature needed to bond the tape and such to the paint. But with a little bit of extra patience, take your time, and it'll be pretty easy to get it on there pretty solidly.
Exactly, and like I said, everything fit just perfectly. It was perfectly cut. All the letters were perfectly cut to the exact stamp marks there on the tailgate. So there's no kind of modifying or anything like that you should have to do once you get these letters. Another important thing to note is the letters are raised. So some other companies make some flat vinyl decals. These are more raised and textured, and I really do think it has a nice look to it. And like I said, they have all different types of colors. If camo isn't your thing, I really do think the camo looks really nice on the quicksand truck. But if camo isn't your thing, like I said, they do have an American flag pattern. They do have a bunch of different patterns, chrome, red, matte black, black, everything else. But if you are interested in one of those, be sure to leave a comment about which one you might be interested in the comment section below this video. We will be doing a giveaway here within the next couple days, so be sure and spread the word. Have everyone check out this video, and again, if you are interested in a set of these, leave them in the comments below, and we'll get them shipped out to you if you are the lucky winner. So be sure and follow us on Instagram, follow Toughskins on Instagram, and do leave a comment in the comments section. There will be a full set of all of the rules and regulations there in the description of this video, so be sure and take a look at that as well, and check out the Toughskins website for all of their other products. But thank you all very much for watching. Have a fantastic week, everybody. Catch you next time.